That is priceless.
So you should have the missus doing the exercise on the
This is our street, and one of our lovely neighbours, Guy Scott, he's helping to tow out the flotilla. We have all our little boats. We've had the camera crew from Channel 9, and it's all very nice, but I'd rather it didn't happen. So there we go. Sanity has left. I feel like a scene from the Titanic. The water's just creeping slowly up the walls. Anyway, must keep going. So, leaving for the last time. I guess tomorrow when I come back, the whole house will probably be under. There's the rocking horse that Dad built for the kids. It broke, but that's what's left of it. And, I'm in a boat. And there's the rest of my boats up the creek. The flood's just picking off one house after the next. Some of these houses have big renovations where they've spent, a woman down the road had just spent $300,000 renovating a house. And okay. And she said that she just got rid of the electricians. They'd just finished the house, and then this happens. She was a bit teary, that one. So anyway, it's only water. This is where we kept our pianos. We were lucky to get a garage to put them under, which is nice. This is, what's the date today, Carolyn? 13th or 14th of January. The tide's starting to go down now. We're in our street. These are some houses. And back up the street. Had a interview again with the TV people again this morning. A follow-up interview, and I guess they'll be wanting to get in the house when we get in there, and all the mud's going to be in there and everything. And they want to get that kind of human reaction story. But I'm telling them I'm ticking all the boxes and just looking at it positively. You know, it's a good reason to change the wallpaper, etc. Clean the house out. So it's it's only mud, no big deal. Wash it all off and start again. We've got all the main furniture out, so that's good. And that's the top of their carport, just through there. As we come round, well, don't go near bushes because the spiders, hang on, don't lean too much. The spiders will just jump straight onto you. It's full of bugs. I am though. And yeah, just don't make any sudden movements in the canoe or we'll be swimming. Wow, it's quite eerie.
I'm glad I cut those veggies. Maybe you can go over them.
Yep, I'll put this camera away.